Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Sunchoke and Chanterelle Pizza on the Karma 55 from WPPO. Now the first thing that we want to do is light up the Karma 55 wood-fired pizza oven. So here's how I do that. We're gonna put a couple of smaller sticks in a Lincoln log pattern, and then we're gonna use our Luft lighter to light them on fire. When we have a good fire going, we can add larger sticks. The pizza oven is now heating up, so now it's time to prepare all the ingredients for the Sunchoke and Chanterelle Pizza. We're gonna add some pine nuts to a hot pan. Then we want to carefully toast these for 3 to 4 minutes until they start turning brown. Next, we're gonna add some olive oil into another pan, and then we're gonna add a couple of cups of chanterelle mushrooms. We're gonna saute the mushroom until they're starting to brown, and then we wanna season them with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we can set them aside. Now we wanna finely dice a pound of sunchoke or Jerusalem artichokes that we scrubbed clean. We are gonna add these to a hot pan, and then we're gonna add almond milk until the sunchokes are covered. Now we wanna cook this for 20 to 25 minutes or until almost all the almond milk has evaporated. Then we're gonna put it in a blender, we're gonna blend on high, and then we're gonna set it aside. All the ingredients are now ready, so next it's time to start putting together the pizza. We're gonna flour the cutting board, then we're gonna start pressing some air from the dough. We're gonna keep shaping the pizza until we have a nice round 14-inch pizza. We're gonna add the sunchoke sauce first, make sure that we spread it out as a thin layer. Then we wanna add a good amount of the sauteed chanterelle mushrooms. Now we're gonna place this in the Karma 55 wood-fired pizza oven, and we're gonna bake it for about 2 minutes. When ready, remove from the pizza oven. We're gonna add a few basil leaves. We wanna add the toasted pine nuts. And last but not least, we're gonna drizzle with some olive oil, and then this Sunchoke and Chanterelle pizza is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Sunchoke and Chanterelle Pizza on the Karma 55 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like, and that looks pretty darn good. Perfect undercarriage, so here we go. Earthy flavors, a lot of richness. I love this flavor combo. I hope you do too. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.